we've got some fabrics, and they're all knits, and they're all great for just good basic tops. And they're all going to be $10.99 for the weekend. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. This has stretch in both directions. It's a cotton poly. Beautiful hand, beautiful piece, beautiful drape. Really nice piece. I love this. It would be great on a bias. You can see it drapes well. Cotton poly. Has stretch in one direction, not two. Lots of stretch, but just stretch in one direction. This is a black, but I'm going to show you just the difference. The first one is a deeper, darker black. This is black, but it's just a lighter black. Again, great drape. It's 100% cotton. This is a cotton poly. Whenever you have a cotton poly, you have a tendency to have a deeper black, because that poly will hold the color a little bit better. But it's 100% cotton, and it is beautiful. And then we have some second skins. We've got the fuchsia, and this has stretch in both directions. Very light, great drape. These second skins have great drape. This is a dark green, forest green. Again, stretch in both directions, great drape. And then we have this charcoal. This is 100% cotton. You know, not great drape. It's good. It's good. It's very good, but it's not great. It's not like these are. And this is because the cotton just typically doesn't drape as well as these polys do. But anyway, they're all $10.99, and the goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.